Hey, I wanted to share something with you all. When I started MaxHousePrice back in 2018, I had one idea: pay-at-close renovations. Homeowners who are getting ready to sell could renovate their home with zero out-of-pocket costs and pay from the proceeds at closing. It's a great model and we've ran with it. But something happened along the way that I never saw coming. When you're not getting paid until a house sells, you learn really fast how to deliver quality work on time and on budget. No excuses. The seller's counting on you, the agent's counting on you, the buyer's counting on you, the closing date's counting on you. You get really good at managing tight deadlines, tight budgets, and very high expectations. And we've done that a few hundred times. And somewhere along the way, without realizing it, we became really good renovation contractors. Not just for sellers, for everyone. Homeowners who had no intention of selling started finding us. They wanted to get their kitchen done right, their bathroom updated, their basement finished, and we just kept showing up with the same principles that we've always done: quality work, fair price, dedicated team, on time and on budget. Over the last few years, we've quietly morphed into this, and now it's really become the majority of our business. But here's the thing: we never told anyone. Our website still said pay at close, our profiles say it, our messaging said it. If you looked us up, you probably thought we only work with people who are looking to sell their home. But that's not who we are anymore, and we're finally saying it out loud today.
We rebuilt MaxHousePrice.com to reflect who we truly are: Northern Virginia's renovation contractor for homeowners who are staying and sellers who want top dollar. We even have examples of some of our work so that you can get inspired on the possibilities for your home. So whether you're upgrading your home so that you can love where you live, we'll make it better, or if you're looking to do pre-list renovations so that you can sell your home for more, we're here to help. Feel free to check out our project gallery where we have lots of examples of past projects.
If you've thought about updating your kitchen, your bathroom, finishing that basement, and you assumed we only worked with sellers who were selling, I want you to know that's not the case at all. We still do pay at close. That's not going anywhere. That's one thing we do, and that's not who we are. Come and take a look at our work. Get inspired. See what's possible for your home. And if something catches your eye, reach out. Free estimates, honest advice, no pressure. Link is below, numbers on the screen. This is who Max House Price really is. Took us a while to say it, but we're here.